about how the humans were the ones delegated to tend the fire. We're going to do a song that Kim and I play called Fire and Stone. Fire, of course, represents our sun. Without the sun and the perfect marriage between the sun and the earth, life would not exist here. We would not be here. That perfect distance, that perfect relationship between the sun and the earth is divine. And so fire represents that divine source of light and heat that allows us to live and breathe. When we do ceremony with the fire, we are doing sacred ceremony with the sacred divine objects of nature, our Father, Son. And fire reads our heart, not our minds. So when we do fire ceremony with fire, we must be pure of heart, because our secrets, our inner desires will be revealed to the fire. Now the stone is the oldest thing on the earth. The earth just started as molten rock and cooled, and then began to break down into soil for plants to grow. So the wisdom of the ancient ones is embedded within the stone of the earth. So both of these are sacred. So listen to this music and see if you can hear fire and stone.